Hello and welcome to the Wood Carving Handmade channel. We will show you in this episode how to manufacture a wooden table of different sizes, unpack and install. Let's start the explanation. Firstly, the electronic design by Adobe Illustrator to adjust sizes. And we make a round table top and table legs. Now we will put the drawing of the table legs on the wood. The wood cutting stage of the cutting machine. We turn the table legs. Assemble the wood and paste it together to make the table head. Clean the wood with a wiping machine. Mark the poster board and remove the rest with a cutting machine. We turn the table head. Now the stage of cutting the table legs with the cutting machine. At an angle of 7%. Tools used to disassemble and assemble the table by means of a drill and a screw. Thus the table legs are combined with the head and this is the final shape. We hope hope that you like the video and that you support us by subscribing to the channel and activating the bell button.